Okay, today we are going to talk about the changing dimensions in respect to perimeter and area and using scale factor. So this is going to kind of piggyback off of what we did in class today. So in order to fit a rectangular picture with a length of 6 inches and a width of 4 inches in an online profile box, Aiden reduces both the length and the width of the picture to 1/4 of their size. By what factor will the perimeter of the original image change? So this is kind of a tricky question because they give you a lot of information. We know that he wants to reduce the length and the width by 1/4 their size. So that means that our scale factor is 1/4. Well, what we learned today is that the perimeter of the new image to the original image will change by whatever the scale factor is. So that is our answer. We did not even need the other information. Number 2, Brooke is using 2 sizes of tiles in her kitchen. The larger tile's side length is 4 times the side length of the smaller tile. So that tells us right there that our scale factor is 4. What is the area of the larger square tile? So we're asking for the area here. And so what we learned today is the only information they gave me is that the side length is 75/100ths or 0.75 inches. And so I can easily find the area of the smaller side because I know that it's a square. So this side is also 0.75. So if I find the area of the smaller one, we would have 0.75 times 0.75, the length times the width, tells me the area of the smaller tile is 0.5625. All right, so if I want to use the scale factor of 4 to find the new area, well, we learned that if I'm dealing with area and scale factor, I have to square the scale factor. So what I'm going to actually do is 0.5625 times the scale factor squared, and that will give me the new area. So that's going to be 0.5625 times 16 instead of times 4. So I already have 0.5625 in my calculator, and I'm going to say times 16. So the new area of the larger one is 9. I guess, and what are these inches? 9 inches squared. All right. On number 3, look at the triangles. The triangles have a scale factor of 1/5. So they told me what my scale factor was. And then it says, what is the area of the smaller triangle? So once again, I'm dealing with area. So I know that I'm going to be squaring the scale factor. So if I do 1/5 times 1/5, then I know I'm actually going to use 1/25 when I'm multiplying. So let's go ahead and find the area of the larger triangle first, which in order to find the area of a triangle, we have base times height divided by 2. So the base and the height of a triangle are connected with that right angle. So we're going to do 20 times 15 divided by 2. And we get to use calculators now. So you just do 20 times 15 divided by 2. And we get that the area of my larger triangle is 150 square yards. And I know that the new one has with a scale factor of 1/5. So I'm going to multiply the 150 times the 1/5 squared, which we already did, is 1/25, right? So basically when you're multiplying fractions, you go across the top and across the bottom. So this in essence is just 150 because 150 times 1 and then 1 times 25 divided by 25. So I'm going to take 150 divided by 25 and I get the area is 6 square yards for my smaller triangle. Okay, this is going to go on September 12th, the effects of area and perimeter. It's going to be page 20 in our ISN. Make sure that you note changing dimensions And note that it is a video so that you can go back and reference it. And put this in your ISN.